Most revered holy saints who envisioned and then established this unique institution, Sant Atar Singh Ji, his disciple Sant Teja Singh Ji, and his disciple Sant Baba Iqbal Singh Ji, who translated this vision into reality. Chief guest for the convocation, Dr. Harmeet Singh Ji. Incidentally, he mentioned in his talk that we are both alumni from the same institution. We did our masters from Maulana Azad Medical College. Sardar Bhajan Singh Ji, a distinguished and very passionate educationist from Singapore. Very tenaciously he pursued what was dear to him to ensure for perpetuity that Indian immigrants, expats, have the opportunity to learn Indian languages. Of course, he was passionate for Punjabi, but then the Singaporean government, they thought that they have thrown in a spanner in his aspirations by telling him that if he wants to do that, then at the same time he has to carry on and take the other 5 languages along with that. Urdu, Gujarati, Bengali and Hindi. So painstakingly he created curriculum, the entire school curriculum for all the 5 languages, and then the Singaporean government had no option but to accept that proposal, which is now there forever. Remarkable achievement. Professor Dr. Gurpreet Singh Ji, Controller of Examination, Delhi, worthy dignitaries, faculty members, बच्चों के माता पिता जिनके हम बहुत आभारी हैं, जिन्होंने अपनी सबसे कीमती जो उनकी बिलोंगिंग है हमारे गोद में डाल दी, and above all, hopes of this nation, hopes of this world, hopes of humanity, मानवता की उम्मीद, प्यारे बच्चों. It is indeed a very auspicious occasion when you have graduated from this pious university. This university was envisioned, this entire movement, this revolution in education was envisioned by our founding father Sant Atar Singh Ji in 1904, wherein he had told his disciple Sant Teja Singh Ji that a place existed in Himalayas from where children with Brahm Gyan would move out into the world. 1904 में संत अतर सिंह महाराज जी ने अपने शिष्य संत तेजा सिंह जी को ये आदेश दिया था कि हिमालय पर्वत में एक ऐसा स्थान है जहाँ से बच्चे ब्रह्म ज्ञान की विद्या लेके दुनिया को शांति का संदेश देंगे. संत तेजा सिंह जी, who had done masters in English from Harvard University in 1912. Before that, he had done Master in English in 1896 from Punjab University. And then he became a civil servant, British Indian Civil Service, he joined in 1902. 2 साल वो सॉल्ट कमिश्नर रहे. बहुत कठिनाई से उन्होंने 2 साल बिताए कि मन में ये तकलीफ हो रही थी कि गरीब लोग, गरीब हिंदुस्तानी नमक बना रहे हैं और मैं उनको अरेस्ट कर रहा हूं. नौकरी छोड़ के आ गए. जिस बात की अभी डॉक्टर साहब बात कर रहे थे, वैल्यूज की, कॉम्पैशन की, इंटेग्रिटी की, नौकरी छोड़ के आ गए. In 1956, he got this place identified by Sant Baba Iqbal Singh ji. अपनी रूहानियत की शख्सियत से संत तेजा सिंह महाराज जी ने अपने शिष्य बाबा इकबाल सिंह जी को, जो कि डायरेक्टर एग्रीकल्चर हिमाचल प्रदेश रिटायर हुए हैं, उनको आदेश दिया कि जिद्दा जाके देख के आओ बड़ू सब का जो बड़ू गांव है जो बिक रहा है, कहीं वो हमारी जगह तो नहीं है. निशानियां दे दी कि चारों तरफ पहाड़ियां हैं, जंगल है, झरना बह रहा है. 3 दिन का पैदल रास्ता था, नाहन से 3 दिन का रास्ता था, सोलन से. He came here on foot and he realized that this was indeed the divine place which Sant Teja Singh ji had sent him to identify. This land was purchased in 1956 at the cost of rupees 25,000. ये 650 एकड़ ज़मीन 25,000 की खरीद ली गई 1956 में, जब यहाँ पे बिजली नहीं थी, सड़कें नहीं थी, 3 दिन का पैदल रास्ता था. जुनून सवार था संत बाबा तेजा सिंह जी को, संत बाबा इकबाल सिंह जी को, कि जो वचन किए हैं इनके इष्ट संत अतर सिंह महाराज जी ने, उनको साकार करना है, ब्रह्म विद्या का केंद्र बनाना है. In 1959, Sant Teja Singh ji came here for the first time. He built the first heritage Gurdwara Sahib here, और वहां पे अखंड पाठ साहब रखाया. उसमें संत जी महाराज ने जब अरदास हुई तो बाबा इकबाल सिंह जी बताते हैं ऊंची ऊंची रो पड़े कि महाराज कब वो समा आएगा जब यहाँ से बच्चे उच्च कोटि की दुनियावी और आध्यात्मिक विद्यालय के, ब्रह्म ज्ञान की विद्यालय के शांति का संदेश देंगे सारी दुनिया को. This is our mission statement, to establish permanent peace in the world. After the Second World War, when there was despondency all over the place, all over the world, so much destruction had happened, millions of lives had been lost. There was a conference in Japan with the theme establishing peace in the world. Sant Teja Singh ji delivered his address there representing the Sikh religion, and he said, and I repeat that, the only way to establish permanent peace in the world is to provide values to very young children. गुण प्रदान करने हैं. विद्या का अर्थ ही ये है कि बच्चों को दैवी गुण, देवताओं के गुण प्रदान करने हैं. I would request all the learners and their teachers that their job is not limited to providing the bookish knowledge or the skill that they have been trained themselves for. Yes, that is important for the children to eke out a living. निर्वाह करना है, कोई ना कोई गुण, ऐसा गुण आ जाना चाहिए जिससे आपका गुजारा हो जाए, परिवार का गुजारा हो जाए. Sardar Pajan Singh ji is here. I and Dr. Neelam had been to a IB conference in Singapore somewhere around 2014 or 15, in which educationists from all over the world who were engaged in the IB program, they had gathered there. And I was so excited to see the theme of the conference, which was, what is being educated all about? किसको कहें कि ये गुण आ जाएं तो वो विद्वान होगा? With lot of interest, I attended those sessions. And amazingly, at the end of the 4-day conference, all the educationists all over the world, they zeroed in on only this thing, कि अगर हमारे अंदर वो दैवी गुण आ गए तो हम विदित हैं, विद्वान हैं, educated हैं. Otherwise, what Guru Nanak had said 500 years ago, we are merely literate, we have learned the art of eking out living for me and my family. गुरु नानक साहब जी का फरमान है जो मैं हर बारी बोल रहा होता हूँ, पढ़या मूर्ख आखिए जित लब लोभ अंकार. वो पढ़ा हुआ व्यक्ति मूर्ख है. That literate man is a fool who is mired in love, attachment, lobh, greed, ahankar, vanity. So the purpose of education is emancipation of your mind, to instill values of love, humility, kindness, compassion, patience, and above all, a value which is now missing completely from the leaders of all those nations who have got their education from the top universities of the world, Ivy League universities. जितनी भी तमाम ये यूनिवर्सिटियाँ जो विदेशों में हैं, ये हमारी ईगो बढ़ा देती हैं. नाम के आगे डॉक्टर लग जाता है. हार्वर्ड से पढ़ के आए तो सबसे पहले हम आसपास लोगों को बताते हैं मैं हार्वर्ड से पढ़ के आया हूँ. ईगो और बढ़ जाती है. हवस पैदा हो जाती है कि मेरा हुक्म चलना चाहिए, मेरा आदेश चलना चाहिए. And then we disseminate enmity and cruelty on population. गुरु नानक साहब का आदेश है, विद्या विचारी ता परोपकारी. So my dear students, and my dear teachers, just remember this should be ingrained in our minds, that if I am a teacher, if I am a knowledge provider, then my job is to inculcate values in the children. And it is the job of the children to realize that I shall be called as an educated person only and only if I have those values. गुरु नानक साहब ने फरमान है, विद्या विचारी ता परोपकारी. That touchstone, that kasvatti to decide whether a person is educated, is that after gaining all this knowledge, is this knowledge being used only for self-gratification, self-aggrandizement, or collecting materials and wealth for myself and my progeny? अगर ये उसका ultimate end है, तो ये फिर educated नहीं है. If this is what happens to graduates of this university, then I'm afraid the purpose of setting up of this university will not be served. We have to keep the face of that neediest man in the society and ensure that I lift him up. The entire society has to be uplifted. Only then happiness and peace can be established. So this is what is required With this, what I'll request all the teachers and all students, please remember to do your spiritual audit every day. हर अध्यापक ये सोचे कि आज मैंने क्या कंट्रीब्यूट किया है अपने बच्चों में, उनको अच्छा इंसान बनाने में, ब्रह्म ज्ञान का ज्ञान देना है। ये इस यूनिवर्सिटी का ऑब्जेक्टिव 1904 में संत अत सिंह महाराज ने दे दिया था। दैट इज वाई this God-forsaken place has been chosen to set up this university. It could have been done anywhere close to Delhi. इसलिए दिया था कि ये पवित्र धरती है, यहाँ पे बहुत आसान है वैल्यूज़ की बात करना, वैल्यूज़ प्रदान करना। Similarly, I would implore all the students to please, before they sleep for the night, they must remind themselves, have they achieved the purpose of moving in a positive direction to become outstanding human beings with love and devotion for the entire society, irrespective of the faith they follow. You are fortunate to be in this environment and have an opportunity to read the 6 scriptures. Guru Granth Sahib Ji contains scriptures of जस्ट 6 गुरु, 10 गुरुओं से केवल 6 गुरुओं की वाणी है, 24 हिंदू भक्तों की वाणी है, 5 मुसलमान फकीरों की वाणी है, ताकि किसी के मन में ये ना आए कि गुरु ग्रंथ साहब केवल सिखों का ग्रंथ है। सारी मानवता के लिए ये आदेश है, दिशा है। जिसने भी अच्छा इंसान बनना है, जिसने भी शांति का संदेश पूरी दुनिया को देना है। विद दीज फ्यू वर्ड्स आई थैंक यू ऑल, especially the young students, their parents, distinguished guests who have come all the way from Delhi. Dr. Sardar Bhajan Singh Ji has come from Singapore. We hope that your journey was not as treacherous as sometimes it becomes, and you enjoyed your stay here. Our humble abode, whatever we could offer you, Spartan facilities are there. In case it was not very convenient, please accept our apologies for that. Thank you very much, please, for being here. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for your precious words.